Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at some more sounds in English. Today we're looking at these two sounds. Ch, ch for chair and chip or chop. We're also looking at this sound. Sh for ship or share or shop. Ch and sh. Have a look at these words and say them with me. First of all, ship, ship, and chip, chip. Ship, chip. Look at this one. Shoes, shoes, and choose. Shoes, choose. Sheep, sheep. Cheap, cheap. Share, share, and chair, chair. Shops, shops. Chops, chops. On this side, the sound is at the end or in the middle. So this one first of all. Washing, washing, washing. Watching, watch, watching. Washing, watching. Cash, cash. Catch, catch. Mash, match. Mash, match. Wish, which. Wish, sh, wish, and which, which, ch, which. And the last one, dishes, dishes, dish, dishes, and ditches, ditches, ditch, ditches. That wasn't too bad, was it? Question. Do you like shopping? Do you like washing up? Do you like watching TV? Do you like watching football on TV? Do you like playing chess? The sh and the ch sounds in English. Look at these three advertising slogans. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. Look at the first one. Fresh fish, straight from the ship to the shop. So lots of sh sounds here. Fresh fish, straight from the ship to the shop. Try it. Fresh fish, straight from the ship to the shop. Number 2. Are you a musician with ambition? Here, the sound is sh, musician, with ambition. The spelling is different, but the sound is the same. Here we have a sh sound. This is a sh sound, and this is a sh sound. So don't worry about the spelling, just focus on the sound. Musician, ambition. Are you a musician with ambition? Are you a musician with ambition? And the last one, make your shoes shine with Bishop's Special shoe polish. So again, lots of sh sounds here. Make your shoes shine. Make your shoes shine. With bishops, sound in the middle. Bishops. Special, special, shoe, polish. In the middle, at the front, at the end. Make your shoes shine with Bishop's special shoe polish. It's not easy to say, but try again. Make your shoes shine with Bishop's special shoe polish. And now look at these phrases with ch. Listen and say these 5 phrases with a ch sound after a t sound. Here's a t sound, t, 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 and the ch sound that follows. And there's also a ch sound at the end here. Try to link the sounds together here. It will help you make the ch sound. For example, number 1. It's quite cheap. It's quite cheap. It's quite cheap. It's quite cheap. Quite cheap. You can link the t to the ch. It's quite cheap. We kind of lose that t, the final t. It's lost. It's linked to the next ch sound. It's quite cheap. It's quite cheap. This is lost. It's quite cheap. Quite cheap. Look at number 2. A white chair. But link the 2 together and it becomes a white chair. A white chair. There's a pause. We don't go white. We say white and we stop before the t. A white chair and then go chair. A white chair. A white chair. Look at number 3. Try it yourself. What do you think? We have a great chance. How do you think the pronunciation is? A great chance. A great chance. We lose the t and say a great chance. A great chance. Look at number 4. What do you think? Lose the t of don't and go don't cheat, don't cheat, don't cheat. There's a little break. We don't pronounce the final T of don't. It's linked to a ch sound here. Don't cheat, don't cheat. And the last one, number 5, a hot cheese sandwich. A hot cheese sandwich. Hot cheese, hot cheese. A hot cheese sandwich. Try it. A hot cheese sandwich. A hot cheese sandwich. So there we are. English pronunciation, sh and ch. They are easy peasy with practice. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Shh. Bye-bye for now.